So, welcome students and good morning. It's another day and we will now start our class. So, before we start, I would like to introduce myself. I am your teacher Jetra, your science teacher for today. Now, we will now do the checking of the attendance. So, what I see here is that everyone is present, which is good job. Now, we will first talk about our online classroom etiquette. Can I have Jenny to read what's on the screen? Mm-hmm. Thank you for that, Jenny. So, our online classroom etiquette is that I want you all guys to remember all of this. Is it clear? Good. Now, we will now have our objectives. Can I have Raldi to read all of the objectives? Mm-hmm. Thank you for that, Raldi. So, all of these objectives, it is our goal in our class today. And I hope we can attain all of these objectives. Now, we will first do our reminders. So, for your reminders, I want you all to get your science book and go to lesson 5. Always use the raise hand button, turn on your cameras, and have fun and learn. Now, we will first do our review time. In this activity, we will do the guess me. I want you all to guess what's on the picture. For the first picture, it is the chest. And for the second picture, it is the hand. Hand. For the third picture, it is the foot. And for the last picture, it is the skull. So congratulations, everyone. You all did a great job. So it seems like you guys really learned something from our previous lesson. Now, we will now do the think and learn. In this activity, I want you all to analyze what's on the picture. So, in the picture, we can see a muscles, a strong heart, and a strong body. So, we will know later what is the importance of all of these pictures. Now, you guys are really excellent because you guys are very observant. Now, we will do the picture analysis. I want you guys to analyze the picture below. So what can you say about the picture? So we can see a two different boy in the picture. What can you say about the first picture? So the first boy in the picture is strong. So what can you say about the second picture? So the second boy in the picture is struggling. So what is the importance of being healthy? So being healthy is having a strong body. Now, you guys are really good job. So thank you for those who participate. Now, are you now ready to listen or to learn something new? If yes, prepare your ears to listen and your mind to focus. We will now talk about the muscular system. So, I want Jenny to read what's on the screen. Thank you for that, Jenny. So the muscular system pala is the muscle cells and muscle tissues that can be found in our body, and it has a specific cells called the muscle fiber. Now, I want Lisa to read what's on the screen. Thank you for that, Lisa. So, the main function of the muscular system pala is that it helps our body to perform a daily activities. And fun fact, everyone, the skeletal and the muscular system are connected into each other to perform a motor function. Diba? Now, do you have a question in this part? None. So let's now proceed in here. So can I have Princess to read what's on the screen? Mm-hmm. Thank you for that, Princess. So, class, do you believe it that our body consists of more than 600 muscles and there is no difference between female and male muscular system? And the main muscle groups are found in the chest, back, shoulders, and legs, and arms. Do you have a question in this part? None. So, we will now talk about the three muscles in our body, and those are the types of muscles. So, the first one is the cardiac muscles, skeletal muscles, and the smooth muscles. Now, we will first talk about the smooth muscles. Can I have Jisoo to read what's on the screen? Mm-hmm. Thank you for that, Kisu. So our smooth muscles pala are essential for our body because they have many different, complicated, and vital tasks. So do you believe it that our smooth muscles is have a lot of works in our body? So do you have a question regarding to the smooth muscles? If none, we will now proceed in our cardiac muscles. Can I have Alisa to read what's on the screen? Mm-hmm. Thank you for that, Alisa. So the cardiac muscles pala are the muscles in the heart and they are responsible for the pumping action of our blood in heart. So no, do you believe it, guys, that our cardiac muscles is also important because our heart is important. Now, we will now proceed to the last one, which is the skeletal muscles. So can I have Jenny to read what's on the screen? Mm-hmm. Thank you for that, Jenny. So our skeletal muscles pala enable us to move and perform a daily activities. And it help us to maintain our posture and balance. So, what is the importance of our muscles pala? Can I have Mingyu to read what's on the screen? Thank you for that, Mingyu. So, the importance of the muscular system pala, it is a complex network of muscles to the vital of the human body. Muscles play a part in everything we do. They control our breathing down to our movement. So, muscles, like the rest of our body, thrive when you exercise and eat healthy. So, we can attain a healthy muscles if we live a healthy lifestyle. So that would be all our discussion for today. Do you have a question regarding to our discussion? If not, we will now do our what is this activity. I want you all to identify the correct answer and put your answers on the chat box below. I will give you a 2 minutes to answer it. So the 2 minutes is done. So we will now answer it. So what is the answer for the number one? It is the cardiac muscles. For the number two, it is the muscles. And for the number three, it is the skeletal muscles. And for the last number, it is the smooth muscles. Now we will now jump to our what would you do sharing. I want you all to read the scenario on the screen and after 2 minutes we will now start our sharing. Good job, everyone. You all did great, everyone, for sharing. So, thank you for your sharing and participation. You guys really learned something and you even apply it in your real life. So, in your real life situation. So, what have you learned today? So you guys really learned something, no? And teacher is really happy that you guys really learned from me. So I want you all to keep learning and grow. So Good job, everyone. You all did great today in our class. It is a well done and a successful class. Now, we will now have our assignment. So I want you to read it and submit it in our Google Classroom on time because time is important now. So that would be all our discussion for today, and I'm really happy that it is successful. So goodbye, students, and thank you. Bye bye.